Okay, so I think we all know that feeling, right?
Yeah.
You're stuck in your career. Like you're capable of more, but you're just, I don't know.
Kind of in a rut.
Yeah, exactly. And this awesome roadmap we found, it's all about breaking free if you're a software tester. Which, let's face it, the tech world, things change so fast, you got to adapt.
And this roadmap, it's not just learn the new hot thing. It's
Well,
like, okay, ASP.NET C#, that's huge.
right. You're already starting from a good place.
So where do you want to go?
That's what I love. It lays out 3 paths. More into automation testing, which big demand for that still.
Oh, yeah.
Or become a developer, full stack, back end. Those are hot, hot, hot. Or totally different. Data analytics, cloud computing, everyone wants
Then
it.
salaries. Don't even get me started.
Life-changing possibilities here, folks. But what I realized, even if you're not a tester,
This roadmap's got the principles, man. Transferable skills, finding where the need is. It's universal.
that's so true. Okay, so you've looked at the paths, right? Picked what excites you. Now what?
Time to learn. But focused. This roadmap is laser focused.
Not just learn to code. It's like, here are the exact tools.
And that matters. Like, say you're going for automation.
Selenium. Gotta have it.
Oh, for sure. Web browsers, automating all that, essential.
Then there's JRA, project management, Postman, API testing, can't forget that. And, okay, I used to think frameworks were boring.
Oh, I know.
But Cucumber, it makes tests like readable, like plain English. Who knew?
See, that's the tech side. But resumes, I see. They lack soft skills, the human stuff.
Oh, so important. You can be a coding genius, but if you can't talk to people.
DevOps especially, teamwork, communication, that's gold.
So yeah, learn the tools, BUT, polish those people skills too, folks. Okay, full stack development, let's say you go that route.
ASP.NET C#, you've got that base. .NET Core, add that on. Then it's the front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, gotta know it.
And those frameworks, React, Angular, everyone wants those for web apps.
They make things interactive, dynamic. Users love that.
But I get it, it's a lot to learn. That's where the roadmap's timeline is genius. 3 months, hardcore learning, 2-3 hours a day.
Okay.
Then 6 to 9 months, projects. Make a portfolio. Prove you can use the skills.
Shows you're not all talk. Employers love that.
And certifications. Those can help too.
But listen, an hour a day, every day, beats 10 hours once a week. Consistency, man.
Preach.
Yeah.
Keeps the momentum going. You don't burn out. So year mark, you're updating that resume. LinkedIn's on point. Applying for jobs you actually want.
And network, LinkedIn groups, webinars, talk to people doing what you want to do.
Like find your mentors online.
Exactly. They've been there. They get it.
Okay, this is where the roadmap gets really deep. It's not just work. It's your whole life.
Self-care. Got to have that. Can't pour from an empty cup,
100%. And financially. It talks about side hustles, freelancing.
Upwork, Fiverr, get some experience, make some cash while you learn.
All ties back to that stuck feeling. This roadmap, it's empowering. You're not at some company's mercy.
You're taking control, building the future you want.
That's the takeaway, right? You've got skills, experience, this roadmap, it's the guide. Pick what excites you, believe in yourself, and go for it. You got this.
You absolutely do.
Now, what stood out to you from this roadmap? What are you going to check out first? Let us know in the comments.
We want to hear from you.
And remember, stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, take action. See you in the next deep dive.
See you there.
Bye for now.
Bye.